Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the "This site cannot be reached" error in Chrome. If you are experiencing internet connectivity issues on your computer, adjusting your network settings, or performing a network reset can often resolve the problem. These methods help ensure your system detects the correct configurations and removes any network conflicts. Here's a step-by-step guide to fixing internet issues on Windows. The first method is to go to the Start menu. Now, use the search bar to look for Internet options. Then, click on it to open the Settings window. Select the Connections tab at the top. Then click on the LAN Settings button. In the LAN Settings window, make sure to tick Automatically Detect Settings. Also, tick Use a proxy server. If required, click OK and then hit Apply to save the changes. Another way is to go to the Start menu again. After that, search for Settings, then click to open it. On the left panel, select Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings, then choose Network Reset to reset your network configurations. Finally, restart your computer to complete the process. To restart, open the search bar on your taskbar, click the power button, and select Restart. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.